I want to say thank you all so much for coming on out. If you haven't already, as much as it sucks hearing this, please consider giving us a like or a follow on social media. We are the Sounds of Mini everywhere. This last song is a really fast-paced song. This song is built to get you up, moving, grooving, moshing. Yes, I said that. So, I know. Let's do this. You guys were willing to mosh earlier? Yeah.